Performance comes down to two things: how fast your site loads and how often it's online instead of down. Think of your site like a shop. You want the doors to open quickly and stay open, or else people will leave before they even get in. So I dug into the latest uptime and speed data for all 5 hosts, and here's what I found out. The slowest of the 5 was DreamHost, and here's why. It runs on shared servers in just a couple of locations, so pages can take a little longer to load, especially for visitors who are far away. Namecheap sits in the middle. It's on shared servers too, but it's quick enough for most small sites. SiteGround takes a different approach to speed. Its servers aren't the quickest on their own, but it keeps a ready-made copy of your site saved and waiting, so the moment someone visits, your pages still load fast. Hostinger is surprisingly fast. It runs on a speed-focused kind of server software called Lightspeed, along with NVMe drives, which are the fastest type of storage that you can get. And the fastest of the whole group is Cloudways. It runs on the same big cloud networks that power companies like Google and Amazon, with servers all over the world, so your site stays quick no matter where your visitors are. When it comes to staying online, all of these hosts are very strong. They're up 99.9% of the time, so you can confidently expect your site to have little to no outages with any host on this list. And on speed, the gap between the top 2 is very small, so any of them will keep a normal site quick. But if speed is your top priority, Cloudways is the winner here, with Hostinger right behind it. So whenever you're ready to get started, the links for all 5 hosts are waiting for you down in the description, and going through one of those links gets you the best price possible. And if you go with Hostinger, there's also a full setup tutorial linked down below that walks you through the whole setup from start to finish. If this video helped you out, a like really goes a long way. And go ahead and subscribe if you want more simple, clear guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.